The night sky, with its shimmering stars and boundless darkness, has long been a source of wonder, mystery, and inspiration. It stretches over us like an ancient scroll, inviting us to read the story of existence itself. For thousands of years, humankind has looked up into this vast expanse, asking questions that touch the very core of our being. Among the most profound, are we truly alone in the universe? From the earliest civilizations that mapped the heavens using rudimentary tools to today's scientists deploying the most advanced telescopes ever built, our desire to understand the cosmos has never wavered. This insatiable curiosity has led us to explore the moon, peer into black holes, and study distant stars. And now, it may have brought us to the doorstep of one of the most groundbreaking discoveries in human history. In the heart of our celestial neighborhood lies a small, intriguing world, Proxima Centauri b. Orbiting the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, just 4.24 light-years away, this exoplanet resides in what astronomers call the habitable zone, a region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. Water, as we know it, is essential for life. Its presence could make Proxima b not just an interesting planet, but potentially a living world. The idea that such a world exists so close to Earth is exhilarating. Proxima b receives just enough energy from its dim star to possibly maintain a stable climate. Although red dwarf stars are known for their volatile flares and high radiation, scientists now believe that life, if it exists, might find ways to adapt or even thrive in such challenging conditions. Evolution, after all, is often forged in the crucible of adversity. But what if there's more? What if Proxima b is not just habitable, but inhabited? In recent observations made by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, humanity's most powerful eye in the sky, astronomers detected something unexpected. The telescope, which sees in infrared light and can penetrate the cosmic dust that hides distant wonders, picked up strange and unexplainable light patterns emanating from the surface of Proxima b. These weren't random flares or atmospheric phenomena. Instead, they formed geometric shapes, shifting in brightness and arrangement in ways that defy known natural processes. To some researchers, this raises a tantalizing possibility. Could these lights be artificial? Could they be signs of an intelligent civilization broadcasting its presence, intentionally or not, across the void of space? If confirmed, this would mark the single greatest discovery in the history of science. It would change everything: biology, philosophy, religion, even the foundations of our culture. It would force us to reconsider what life is, how intelligence develops, and how civilizations, perhaps far older than our own, navigate the cosmos. Proxima b's proximity makes it a natural target for further study. Robotic probes, future interstellar missions, and next-generation space telescopes may soon reveal details we can scarcely imagine today. The discovery of biosignatures, or even technosignatures, would not only confirm the presence of life but potentially point to the existence of a technologically advanced species. In the meantime, scientists are not waiting. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, is employing cutting-edge algorithms and machine learning to scan the skies for unusual radio signals, patterns, or frequencies that could suggest intelligent design. This digital archaeology of the stars aims to decode any messages that may be hidden in the static of space. But beyond the science, beyond the telescopes and algorithms, lies something even deeper: the human spirit. Our yearning to connect with the unknown is not just intellectual, it is emotional, existential. The search for life beyond Earth is, at its heart, a search for meaning. In reaching outward, we are also reaching inward, confronting questions about our origins, our future, and our place in a universe far more vast and mysterious than we can currently comprehend. Imagine the implications of contact. What would we say? What would we learn? Could two entirely different intelligences find common ground, exchange ideas, or even collaborate across the stars? Or would we discover that while the universe is full of life, intelligent species are few and far between, isolated by distance, time, and the limitations of their own technologies? These are not just questions for scientists or philosophers, they're questions for all of humanity. And so, we look to the sky not just with instruments but with hope. Hope that somewhere, a light flickers in the darkness. Not from a star or a flare, but from a distant mind reaching out, just as we are. Perhaps they, too, are wondering if they're alone. Perhaps they, too, are waiting for an answer. Thank you for joining us on Discovery at 2.0. Subscribe and stay curious as we continue to explore the mysteries of space, time, and the incredible possibility that we are not alone.